How to solve Rubik's using FOP method.
So, for today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba ako mag-solve ng Rubik's Cube gamit ang CFOP method. So, yon, bago tayo magbuo ng puzzle gamit ang CFOP, kailangan natin munang buuin yung cross. So, gagawa lang tayo ng cross. Ayan. Meron na tayong cross. After ng cross, guys, susunod naman yung F2L or first to second layer. Buuin lang natin. After ma-solve ng F2L, susunod naman yung OLL. Yan. So, pagkatapos ng OLL, PLL naman, guys. So, ganyan lang mag-solve ng Rubik's Cube gamit yung CFOP method. Thank you, guys.